Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream and kulfi using easy methods. First, let's gather our ingredients. For basic ice cream, you'll need heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. For kulfi, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and a few spices are key. We'll focus on techniques that don't require an ice cream maker, making it accessible for everyone to enjoy these frozen treats at home. Making no-churn ice cream is surprisingly simple. Start by whipping 2 cups of cold, heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. In a separate bowl, gently fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This combination forms the creamy base. Now, incorporate your desired flavorings, such as vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or fruit purees. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container and freeze for a minimum of 6 hours, or until completely solid. For easy kulfi, combine 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk with 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk in a bowl. Stir well to ensure they are fully blended. Next, add traditional kulfi flavorings like a half teaspoon of cardamom powder and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped pistachios or almonds. Pour this rich mixture into kulfi molds or small, freezer-safe cups. Freeze for at least 8 hours, or preferably overnight, to achieve that perfect dense, creamy texture. When serving your homemade ice cream, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly, enhancing its creamy texture. For kulfi, unmold it just before serving. Both treats store well in airtight containers in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Don't be afraid to get creative with your flavors and toppings. And hey, while you're enjoying these sweet treats, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.